This is about 4.5 weeks after my last retwist. I knew I was about to film, so I didn't moisturize my hair for a couple days, so it's super in need of some moisture. So before I wash my hair, I use Heritage Store rose water and apple cider vinegar to cleanse my scalp. I use tons of oils in my hair, so this helps me lift majority of the product without stripping my hair. It's helped so much with me getting a super clean wash. I feel like I have way less work to do and way less scrubbing to do because of this. So I spray this throughout my entire head, focusing on the roots only, and then follow with a light massage to ensure that it's really in there. I'll leave this sitting in my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes before I begin to wash my hair. I like this shampoo and conditioner combo. It's super hydrating, just like it says. I don't have to worry about it stripping my hair feeling super dry afterwards. But the one thing I will say about it, to get a really good lather, you do have to use a lot of product when it comes to the shampoo. But the upside about that is that it's super cheap. For this size bottle, I probably paid about $5. So, one, it's cheap, and two, it rinses out super, super easy. I always wash my hair 3 times before I condition. I feel like that's the perfect amount of time to make sure my hair is thoroughly cleansed. I never put my conditioner directly into my hair. I'm still kind of paranoid about that and getting product buildup. I know a lot of people do it, but I'm not here for it. I'm still scared. So I'll put it in, I'll put about 3 to 4 squeezes into an empty bottle, and then I'll fill it halfway with water, start shaking it. And once I can tell that there's not any lumps or chunks in the bottle, then I go ahead and fill up the rest of the bottle with water, continue to shake it again, and then apply it into my locks. I leave my conditioner in my hair for about 5 minutes and then I'll rinse it out. When I started my journey, I was obsessed with YouTube and used to wish people got closer up with their locks. So this is for all those people like me who care to see up close. As you can see, my hair is super, super clean, but you can also see that I have white dots on my locks. No, that is not buildup, dandruff, or breakage. Those are hair bulbs, also known as club hairs. Club hairs are an end product of final hair growth and feature a bulb of keratin protein at the root tip of a strand. This bulb keeps the hair in the follicle until it sheds and the hair growth cycle starts over. Usually you don't spot these loose hair roots because when you're a loose natural, you shed the hair, comb it, or rinse it out. However, when you wear locks, all loose hair will stay and tangle within itself. This doesn't bother me at all because it doesn't really stand out like that, but I know for some people it's more of an issue because they have a lot, so they'll trim the sides of their locks or color their hair, but it's really just up to you. So I use Loc Nation Lock Pomade to retwist my hair. It's not super sticky or extra thick, it's very lightweight, and I get a really shiny, pretty retwist with it. I'll comb through my roots at least twice, and then I'll begin to twist my lock clockwise. I feel like it just makes for a cleaner and smoother retwist, just like a professional. So that is definitely the key, because when I used to do a soft retwist, I did not do that, and once I started doing this, it started getting that real pretty look that I did when I got it professionally done. So that loose extra hair, just wrap it around your lock. I continue to wrap all the way down my lock. I feel like it makes my locks just look smoother and more uniformed, especially because my locks aren't fully mature. I'm only 20 months locked. When they're fully mature, it won't be necessary because I won't have as much frizz. This makes my retwist way more time consuming. But it's worth it to me, and on certain locks that bother me at the ends, I'll rub them between my palms. I only do this once a month, and please keep in mind I only do this when my hair is wet on wash days so that I don't run into any thinning or anything like that. And like I said, I only do this to the ends of my locks. Do not do this going up your lock because you can run into thinning. Because I'm not just softly palm rolling, I'm putting pressure on the lock between my palms to smooth it out. This is my personal preference to do this to my locks. My loctician showed me this technique. If you're not interested in doing this to your locks, then just ignore. So this is my hair the following day. I sat under the dryer for about an hour on low heat for 40 minutes and finished with cool air the last 20 minutes to sew my style. When my hair finished drying, I wrapped my hair with a satin scarf and went to bed. And this was the end result. I hope you all enjoyed. If you have any questions or suggestions for me, I'd love to hear from you. Please comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you all next time.